Okay, my name's Mike from the Guntown Cycle Den, and I was lucky enough to find this 1966 Kawasaki W1 650 near Du Bois, Pennsylvania. When I bought the bike, I got it from the original owner. It was in chopper form. He was a hippie, chopped it all up, cut it all up. The good thing about it, he saved every piece he took off 6 months after he bought it. Original paint tank, original seat, the original 1-year mufflers, 1-year strut bar, 1-year stainless steel front center with the long bracing. That's all 1-year stuff, and he wrapped that all up in plastic until I found it about a year ago. Basically, I took it all down, painted the frame, the swing arm, motor mounts, the 3 pieces of skin that he had painted, I painted, but again, original paint tank and seat. It's basically about it. Starts first kick every time, runs like a champ. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up for you guys right now. And that's it. Got the Cowie rumble from the early days.